In this video, you'll learn how to download emails from Ionos using the webmail interface at mail.ionos.com. We'll go through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to click, why you're doing it, and what to expect once the emails are saved to your computer. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Ionos mailbox at the mail.ionos.com website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox and usually on the left side a list of folders. These might include inbox, sent, drafts, spam, trash, and any custom folders you've created. Before you can download anything, you need to decide which folder you want to work with. Go ahead and click on the folder that contains the emails you want to download. For example, if you want to save important messages you've already sorted, choose that specific folder. If you just want everything that's currently in your inbox, select the inbox. After you click, the messages inside that folder will appear in a list in the main area of your screen. Now you're ready to select the emails. If you just need a few, you could click them one by one. But the easiest way to handle a lot of messages at once is to select them all together. To do that, start by clicking on any single email in the list. This first click tells the system which area you're working in and highlights that one message. With that first email selected, you can now select all the emails in that folder at once using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Windows computer, hold down the Control key and then press the A key. That's Ctrl plus A. If you're on a Mac, hold down the Command key and then press A. That's CMD plus A. After you do this, you should see that every email in that folder is now highlighted, indicating they're all selected and ready for the next step. Once all your emails are selected, look toward the top or right-hand side of the page for a toolbar. In that toolbar, you'll see a three-dot icon, often labeled as More when you hover over it. This icon usually represents extra actions you can take on your selected messages. Go ahead and click that three-dot More button. A small menu will appear with several options. In this menu, look for the option that says Save as File. Click on Save as File. Your browser will then start preparing a download of the selected emails. Depending on how many messages you've chosen and your browser settings, you might see a prompt asking where you want to save the file, or it may automatically save it to your default downloads folder. The emails are typically saved in a single file that you can then store as a backup or import into another email program later. It's a good idea to remember where that file is saved and maybe rename it to something meaningful like the folder name and date so you can easily find it in the future. That's all you need to do. You've opened your Ionos mailbox, selected the folder you want, highlighted all the emails, clicked the More menu and chosen Save as File to download them to your computer.